So basically, what you've just seen is a video of what my 911 looked like before I attempted installing the wing, and also a video of us trying so hard to install the wing, but then lost the footage of it actually being on the car. So today I want to give you guys a quick update concerning the GT3RS style wing that I had posted a couple weeks ago and was going to install on my 991.1. So finally we ended up installing that thing at my body shop and prepped it, painted it, ceramic coated it and all that good stuff, and then installed it. Only after the installation, I discovered that the top left-hand side is actually higher than the top right-hand corner of the thing, which everybody in the shop that they didn't mind at all, because unless you're like really looking, you can't notice it. But then the reason I took it off the car is because in the back where the latches meet each other like that, there was a slight gap, which the shop told me they can just fill up and it's never gonna show. It's never gonna look like there was a gap there at all. So, but I wasn't comfortable with that whatsoever. I wanted it to be flawless from the get because I had seen it before on some other person's car and it looked good. So I wanted mine to be that flawless as well. I didn't want to start tweaking stuff. So I ended up taking it out of the car and just getting rid of it, gave it to a buddy of mine who wants the thing. So that is my update for you guys. Technically, the GT3RS style wing didn't take off like I thought. So I'm gonna think of something else to do. Either get another GT3RS style wing or order the wing from Peccat. You know, I just haven't decided on which direction to go right now. But as soon as I do, I will get it ordered in and fitted on the car again, because I really do want a wing. I want that look of a wing in the back of my 911. But until that, guys, please check out my other videos, and I still have some coming out pretty soon regarding my new project, the project 995 that I'm working on, which is a 2006 Cayenne S that I'm actually trying to build into an off-road vehicle. So stay tuned, follow the page, and you will be entertained. Okay, thanks for watching and see you guys later.